As some of you know, I have a lot of videos on here, and sometimes they either get mixed up or get lost. Well, thanks to one of my followers, Mike, he said, "Hey, where's the one on balancing your wheel?" And I went, I don't know where it's at. So guys, I found it, and here it is, out of sync, but this is how I did it.
Welcome back to RAThbun's YouTube channel. We try to put videos on here every other day. We try to keep them short enough that you can drink a cup of coffee while you're watching the video. Hopefully you find them interesting enough to subscribe. This next video is going to be about working on the motorcycle. Let's see what RAThbun is up to today.
Well, boys and girls, this is what I came up with last night. I started thinking, well, I got these stands here, and they're both the same height. And I bought this rod, and I had some bearings. Now, them bearings are right there. There they go. Inside of that, and other bearings are out there. Lots of bearings. Plus, the little bearings there are inside big bearings. Now, what I did last night, I did it twice, is I spun the tire, and both times that tape ended up at the top. So apparently that's the light spot, and down here where the valve stem is the heavy spot, even though that's the lightest spot on the tire. It ain't off that much. Let's just take her right about here. Okay, we got about that there, and now we're gonna let her go. It don't take much to put her back into the right spot, so that's definitely heavier. I'm gonna let this wiggle woggle while I go do some video editing, and I ordered some weights, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weigh one of those. And that's the weight I'm going to start out with by putting it up on the top. But you can see how easy that thing's rolling back and forth. I don't think there's any drag on it or nothing. The reason why these are on here is because that little light rod was tending to bow up a little with the weight on it. By pulling that down there and pulling that down there, that straightened the rod out. Also, the reason that I'm using the little rod is that's the bearings I had. I'm using what I got. I think them are starter bearings or something off of Harley-Davidson. But anyway, you can see that thing settling down, and she's going to settle down with that right at the top again. So let's I'm going to get the weights today. We'll stick them on there and show you. I'm running in the house and do some editing for y'all, and then we'll continue on this project. Well, we got the weights, and this is how I've done it. I took a piece of tape, taped it to a weight, put it on there, then I turn it and see if it stays. And it does. Now then, did I do that on the first try? No. Because I actually got 4 weights on this side already. See them right? See them there? 4 there, and 2 over here. And those are, let's see, what are they? Okay, can you read it? Let me get this here so you can get down there and see it. 1/4 ounce. So that tire and wheel was out a lot, but it ain't now. You can set this anywhere I want, and it stays there. There, she's moving a tad bit down. But that's how I'm going to fine tune it. She stopped right there. I'm going to fine tune it that way to get it right where I want it. That's pretty close right there. She's not a moving. might call it good there. I'm going to go ahead and stick, I already stuck these on there, like I showed you. And now then, I'm going to, I'll probably stick these on there. This was the top. Let's put that up at the top. Now that should stay right there. Oh, she's moving a bit. Is she going to top out? No, she's going to go a little bit. It's a little bit heavy right there. So what I'm going to do is fine tune that till I get it so it don't move no matter where I put it. I might take off one of them there and put it on there, but that's how I'm going to get her done. I think that'll work great. So anyway, I'll kick this out to you. I'll show you what it looks like when I get her done. That's what I'm going to do. Well, I think we got it. That was the top, then that was the top, and now what was at the bottom is at the top, and no matter where I put it, she moves just a slight bit, probably just due to my touching it, and stops. I can stop it anywhere I want it, and it'll stay there. So that's what we want. All right, well, is it a silly idea if it works? I don't know. If it vibrates going down the road, I guess I'll pull it off, take it to the shop. But I think I got it. I really do. Or if I didn't think I would got it, I'd have kept working on it. But I think we got her fine-tuned in there. Going to take this apart probably tomorrow. I've been working all day on all kinds of projects. These just got here late as usual. I even tried cutting one in half, and it didn't help. I mean, it's so close that even that one threw it off, a half of one. So I'm less than a half off at all. I don't think I'm off at all now. So we're going to call it good. That's how I balanced this wheel and put the tire on and saved $75 and had fun.
I hope you liked the video, guys. If you subscribe to my channel by clicking the little button here, you're going to be notified of upcoming videos. We have lots to look at, all kinds of content from this channel. Subscribing it will help us greatly.